What do you see, Nak?
I see the swimming.
Swimming? Wow! May railway. May railway into the dagat.
Pwedeng mamingwit dun eh.
I will have swimming to the sea.
Why don't you kill me? Buttercup baby, just a
Daddy, what did they do with?
John Gray.
Daddy, what do with me?
And we're here. We're here? We're here already? No. Trap. Bye, pause.
Kaya madali kami nagluto ng ihaw.
Daddy, put syrup.
Where?
Here.
There oh. What's a big bowl? Oh my. Wow! It's a blue one. Nail it.
God, giant.
I'm talking to you. Asan na sila?
Saan sila?
Where do I begin?
Put that doon.
Let's go there. Let's go there. Go, go, go. 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 Go, go. No, dirty dyan, dirty. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Come on, come on. Swimming.
Wow!
Look, swimming.
Look, wow!
Wow.
Tell to mommy.
Mama, look. Mommy. We're swimming. Wow.
Oh!
I don't like to hide.
Too high.
Ito sila nag... Ready agad siya.
Beach!
Sana sila? Oh, ilika na dito. Bili ng ulam. Ilika na, ikaw yung... Oh.
Ba't yung bibilin ba nila hindi sa atin?
Sa atin nga, plus yung dinner nga natin ay. Tanong mo nga. Halika na. Ha? 1 kiaw. 1K. Bibili na ba ng pangkwan?
Let's go!
Yes. I'll go into
Saan tayo pumunta?
swimming.
Okay. Ay, no, tingnan mo yun, no. Ano yan? Ay, pagkong. Patay na, kuya? Naku, sayang naman. Oh my God!
Look like the sun. It's swimming.
Where?
Yun. Whoa.
Dito yung fish port nila, guys. So, saan tayo, pre? Nasaan tayo? Calaveria? Huh? Wow. What are you doing? Sandcastle! It's too hot.
Sun.
Pudot na. Sumamak eh. What are you doing? Did you see them, oh? They are playing, anak, oh. Anak, yun, they are playing, oh. The kids there, oh. They are playing, the kids there. Hmm. Did you see it? What are you doing?
My tummy color is pink.
Yeah.
It's
Let's go there. Let's see the water.
Oh.
Huh? Anak. Oh, see. Tingin ka dito kay daddy.
Cheese.
Oh my God. What are they doing?
It's laughing, swimming.
They are laughing?
It's laughing, swimming.
Ashley, you want to go there, yo? Picture tayo. You want to take a picture? Ayun si Mami, oh. Halika rin mo nito. Why? Let's go? Picture lang tayo dito sa may bangka. Picture sa bangka. Hawak mo. Faster.
That's all.
Diyan ka lang. Stand ka lang dyan. Hawakan ni Daddy. Bilis, picture mo na kami. Hinto, hindi tayo ko lang doon. Ah,